Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Wasay here, and today in this video I am going to show you how you can contact or chat with an Apple support expert online using your iPhone. So let's begin the video. First of all, you should know that if you go to the Apple support website and go to the contact us section, you will only see a phone number to contact Apple. So you don't see any online support or chat option. So for this, you're going to need only your iPhone, because we are going to download the Apple support application, and using that application we can chat with an online expert from Apple, because some issues require an online expert to get them solved regarding software. So let's move towards our iPhone. On your iPhone, you're going to open the App Store and you are going to search for Apple Support. You're going to download and install this app. Now we're going to open the Apple Support app, and for the first time it might ask you to sign in to your Apple account, so do so. Now in order to chat with a real representative, on the bottom click on the Ask button. Ask Support Assistant. So basically this is their AI support agent. Once you are talking with it, it will give you answers. If it does not answer your question correctly, then you can also talk with the live agent. So let me just type a question. After entering my question, I am going to click on send, and first of all Apple's AI agent will try to answer. As you can see right here, you can see it's telling it can give us instructions. So I'm just going to type, I want to talk to a real representative. After entering this, I am going to click on send. Here you can see chat with an Apple expert. So we're going to click on connect, and now you can see my wait time is around 2 minutes. So you can see here it says you are no longer chatting with support assistant, meaning that now I am connected with a real Apple support agent, meaning a real person around, and now you can easily contact and chat with the person. I am not going to chat with them right now and waste their time because I am making this video, but this is how you can do it. If you guys liked this video, make sure to like it. If you have any other questions regarding this video, write them in the comment section below, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe.